Hello, we are here for one more lesson of this SprutCAM training course, and the topic for today will be the system settings. We have an example which it is not important for today's lesson, and we can open the machine settings under the SprutCAM icon. So we have a couple of things around here, between them the license manager, but we have something called settings, and we get this dialog box with a lot of different tabs. So we can define and configure almost everything inside SprutCAM, at least the general behavior of the system. So folders, there are important things around here, like the folder of post-processors, folder for exporting NC programs, import files. The language, we have a couple of them available. A couple of definitions regarding the automatic saving. So we have under here 15 minutes. Units for a lot of things also, and tolerances. Visualization about the axis coordinate systems. A couple of key mapping options, so we can do a lot of things around here also. Graphic window, we can define rotation center for a lot of things, and this can be useful because sometimes the rotation sends the model out of our site. Visual parameters also regarding renderings, qualities, and so on. Colors, definition for almost everything around here. Depends on individual taste of each user, so I will not say one is better than the other. So we can have on the background also a plane, a gradient, or choose one image file. Okay, it's up to you. Import, what kind of entities we can import inside the system and behavior for importing. Automatic check for updates, which is already interesting. The log for errors, also important. If we use also external editors or not, and which one it is. In this particular one, external NC editor. A couple of definitions for the behavior of the system when we have operation sequence. Online features, so what we do, we have the authorization codes also. I have mine in this particular one. And PLM extensions, PLM connections, not so interesting for the purpose of this course. So we can apply this for the session, or we can save them and have them as standard every time we open SprutCAM. I think you can also look a little under these settings and try a couple of different things, especially the visual settings of the system, which are quite easy to manage, and a couple of things more. So any help you may need about these settings, let us know.